The figure shows elliptical orbit of a planet of mass m about the sun. The shaded area SCD is twice the shaded area of SAB. That means the area of this portion is given as 2 times of area of this portion. If t1 is a time for the planet to move from C to D, so time taken to move from C to D is taken as t1, and C to D's time is given as nothing but to move from C to D, and t2 is a time to move from A to B. So we know that as it is going to cover equal areas and equal intervals of time. So the value of if it is taking, so we can say that it is going to cover equal areas and equal intervals of time. So A by T is equal to a constant, area per unit time is equal to a constant, or you can write this time is directly proportional to the value of area. So more the area, then definitely we can say that it will take more time. So we can write this T2 divided by T1 divided by T2 is equal to A1 divided by A2, and T1 is A1 is nothing but 2A and A2 is nothing but A. So we can write T1 divided by T2 is equal to 2, or you can write T1 is nothing but 2 times of T2, or we don't need much calculation. You can directly say that as area is 2 times, then definitely time will also be 2 times as that of time T2.